Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Today, I've got a sweet tip for you on how to slash your Binance fees by a whopping 45%. Yeah, you heard that right. Let's dive in. First things first, if you're not leveraging Binance's native token, BNB, you're missing out. By simply holding BNB in your wallet and using it to pay for transaction fees, you can instantly knock off 25% of your fees. Easy peasy, right? Now here's the game changer. Ever heard of VIP tiers on Binance? These tiers give you additional discounts based on your trading volume and BNB holdings. The more you trade and hold, the higher your VIP level, and the bigger the discount. You can save up to an extra 20%. That's how you can get to that magical 45% fee reduction. But wait, there's more. You can also earn discounts through Binance referral program. By inviting friends to the platform and accumulating referral bonuses, you can further reduce your trading costs. It's a win-win. To recap, hold and use BNB, aim for higher VIP tiers, and leverage the referral program. Combining these strategies can significantly cut down your trading fees. Remember, every little bit counts in the world of crypto. Saving on fees means more profit for you. So, why not take advantage of these tips and maximize your gains? Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto hacks. Until next time, happy trading at Pascal Times.